Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can elevate your customer satisfaction by using Persona to customize the behavior of your chatbot. Here is the CustomGPT live demo before being given a Persona definition. As you can see, the chatbot fails to properly understand the query and doesn't provide an accurate answer to the customer's question. The customer is not only asking about uploading YouTube content, but more specifically, whole channels. In the next slide, you will see how Persona trains the bot to better understand the customer's plight and provide a solution. After Persona, the bot understands that the customer is asking about two things: YouTube channels and using one sitemap. Since each channel needs its own sitemap, the bot informs the user and also refers them to a helpful guide.